Hello everyone, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brokenic. Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Here we are once again with another project. So a few days ago my Pioneer AVIC 5201 NEX radio head unit just died on me. So the error code came up saying software issue, and it was flashing, and it's stuck in this this loop of trying to reboot over and over again, which you saw in the beginning of the video. So I went online and get on the forums and checked to see if there was a fix for that this particular head unit, and there really isn't. So the problem is with the firmware. There is a SD card that has the operating system, and for some strange reason or another, the little firmware, the software on there goes on the fritz and then pretty much crashes. Now, the only way you can get that operating system is to order it, and the only place you can get it is off of eBay from Russia or Ukraine. So yeah, I said no thank you. Called Pioneer, and Pioneer said you need to ship out the head unit. It is out of warranty. I've had this stereo for about 2 years now, so and they want like $200 to repair it. So I'm like, forget it. I'd rather take that $200 and go buy a brand new head unit. So this is where we are today in this project. So what I decided to do is get the same head unit as the one that I installed in my wife's Xterra. So let's take a look what's in the box and go through the accessories and start brokenicking. Okay, so this is the new head unit that I'll be installing. This is the Boss BV800ACP. Now this is the exact same head unit that I installed in my wife's Nissan Xterra a while back. The difference between her kit and my kit is that hers come with the backup camera that needs to be installed. So her model would be the BV850ACP, and this is the BV800ACP. So also got the mounting faceplate here. Now my truck already has a 4-DIN receiver, same size as this, but you know, I figured I'll just get a brand new one so I can start fresh, just in case, you know, any other modifications were made and then the head unit doesn't fit. Also comes with the radio interface. I kind of went through just to take a quick inventory, but what's in the box is all your goodies, all your harnesses and everything in there. A lot of the stuff looks familiar. By the looks of it, you know, I may have to do some soldering and connecting here, like I did with my wife's Xterra. This is all the harnesses that you need. This here is the steering wheel control interface. So, this here just plugs in, and so I have you know, functionality of my steering wheel controls. This little guy here is a little chime module. It also gets plugged in. This is a little extension there, and some instructions. So, in the last video when I was doing my wife's Xterra, there's really no instructions, very vague. This one here looks to be a little bit better, but I may have to contact Crutchfield's tech support for them to have me send me some instructions, you know, just to have in the event I do get stuck. So this is what I got to work with today. Hopefully this won't take all night. Now I'll leave a link in the description below with the information and all the accessories that we're installing today. Now, if you guys have any questions, you know, feel free to go ahead and drop me a line in the comment section. You know, I'll try to answer your questions the best way I can. With that said, let's start mechanicking. Okay, so this is what we've got done so far. Soldered the wires together from the harness. It comes out of the head unit onto the interface, or another set of harnesses that will interface into the interface, radio interface. A lot of interfacing going on. So it's actually two harnesses in one. Now this is the radio interface here, and so these two harnesses here will connect to this module here. What's really neat is that the backup camera comes, you can order this optional, you can get it with the backup camera adapter here. This just plugs in to where your backup camera is, the harness that's connected to the truck, and then this just plugs in to the back of the head unit there. So there's no need to connect that infamous green wire to your parking brake switch. That is done through the harnesses and through the interface. So that's that eliminates having to take apart, or hunting down that parking switch wire. So anyway, there's also a couple of other things we need to consider. This is a little cord here that connects to the interface and also goes towards the back of the head unit for the connection to this interface in the head unit. And also we've got this little chime module here that we have to connect as well. So we're making some progress here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the truck and start disassembling the faceplate, the old radio, and then work on installing the head unit into the new faceplate. just a bit. And typical Arizona, here comes thunder and lightning storm. We're into monsoon season. Let me give you a little sample of the lightning show. That's like right behind the house. Holy smokes. Yeah, so just like that, it can go dark and it gets windy and thunder and lightning and all that fun stuff. So anyway, stroke of luck here. As I'm taking out the old faceplate and everything, and it looks like that I will be able to install the new head unit in the old faceplate there, or the mounting plate right here. And so I don't have to take apart the AC controls, which is really nice. You know, one less thing I got to deal with. So other than that, I mean, it's it's coming along. I was really hoping that I could get through the installation before it started. So that wraps up another project. Install of this Boss 800 ACP. Is it 800 ACP? What the hell is this? I just put it in here. It's the BV800 ACP. Let me get my eyes checked. So this is the same head unit that I installed on my wife's Xterra, and being that I had experience with that, this install went, you know, much quicker. So the only thing that was working against me was our bad weather. So here in Arizona we have monsoon weather, and it's been raining a lot of storms, a lot of flooding up north, flooding here, and when the thunder rolled in, and then the wind and the dust, you know, I had to take a break, a couple of hours just to let it pass before I jump back into it. So if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. I'll have a few more projects lined up, and I've got a giveaway that's going to be coming up here. I'm just kind of working out a couple of things, and then I'll announce it. I know I said I was going to announce it in this video, but it's coming, and I'll let you guys know. I'll let you know what the conditions are. So if you guys have any questions on the install, how I wired it, what challenges that I faced when installing the stereo, the head unit, please leave a comment in the comment section. Until then, it's your Hawaiian Volcanic. See you guys next time. Aloha.